going through with this lecture, I just wanted to tell you, uh, to getting the totally to getting this course, getting this lecture, you need to subscribe my channel. In this video, in the down of this video, there is a subscribe button. You have to click the button only. So once it's subscribed, and besides that button there is a bell button also there, you have to click over there to get the notification. Why we click the bell button? Because whenever I upload the new videos, you will get the immediate notification, and you will get all my videos, latest videos on your mailbox. This is what you will get the benefit. For that, you no need to pay single rupee. So do not forget to subscribe my channel, guys. So please subscribe my channel. So let's start the active directory migration. So most of the people know the active directory, right? But yes, the active directory migration is kind of L3 level activity. So definitely whatever the activity we have performed day to day life, before the perform the activity, there should be a plan, status, everything in place, right? Once plan is there, then we start the activity, right? You need to perform the activity, right? So this is the same things. So that's what first we need to understand. First we need to understand the basic things before active directory migration. What are the basic things we need to understand? So this video not only for the people who know the active directory, but also for the people who are the beginners, because I am explaining this relation in a very simple way. So but see, active directory migration chapter or lesson is not a small thing. It's a very big thing. It's a very complicated thing, but I made it very simpler, so everyone can understand. Okay, I'm not like clumsy or like kind of I'm not explaining exaggerating all these things. I'm just very simple, straightforward. I will we will go by step to configure. So I've started the course, means I will definitely end the course, but from starting to end, what needs to be required to perform this activity, that I need to explain in this video. This is the first video. So let's start understanding basic things before active directory. Yes, of course, we have a two domain controller, I mean two forests, different forests, or two companies, take it, right? So xyz abc company, that xyz.com and abc.com, they are merged with them. Okay, so and these are the two forests, and the abc.com want to be migrate all this objects to the xyz, or xyz want to migrate all the object to the this is not the one of the example, but anyways, even your environment also, in your environment also, there are a lot of different domains are there, right? I mean multi-domain are there. So from one domain to another domain, how you migrate? Okay, so this is what things we need to discuss. Okay, let's take an example. I'm telling you, in your company there are two different domain. So one domain you need to migrate all the object means what? Not only users and groups, but also it's a service account. Also what of the user having the password, that should not be changed, that should be export also to the new domain. So that all things to be performed, that all things to be done in active directory migration process, so that we'll discuss, definitely we will perform. Okay, so this is, I think you understand, right? Basic things know about active directory migration tool. See, active directory migration tool is not a cost. We are not going to pay any cost for this to to download or to use this tool, because it's a it's given by Microsoft only. It's not a third party tool also. So this tool will help us to migrate all the object from one forest to another, one domain to another. So this is the greatest tool I have ever seen, and I used my production environment also many times. So it is very helpful tool, and we will learn about this tool also in the later video also, correct? Okay, so instead of this tool, there is a one msi .msi file you need to download, that is the password export. Okay, so what does it, like password export tool? It will help you to like whatever the password having the current user of the current domain, when you migrate from current domain to, from one domain to another domain, password should not be changed. User intervention should not be required here. Whatever the password using user, even at migration also the same password will be user will use while login. Okay, so that for the same password migration also we need to be download that tool also. What is the tool name? It's a password export tool. Okay, that I will tell you later. Okay, no problem. So this is the what about the active directory migration tool. It's very simple, you need to download, there is no cost. Okay, so why and how we perform like active directory migration tool? I mean, see, there are the lot of prerequisites are there active directory migration tool, but I tell you like I don't want to very complex this video. I don't want to very exaggerated this video. I'm very and simple. I will make this video which will help you guys to understand better. Okay, so there are a lot of prerequisites are there, but here I have mentioned some main prerequisites which must be do, right? But whatever the prerequisite, definitely will perform on the later part, right? But what are the prerequisites we need to understand? So first we need to make the connectivity between the two forest to domain controller, because we are migrating, right, from one domain. If there is no connectivity, how can you migrate? So first what we integrated conditional forward from target to source, source to target, whatever you are, right? You have to be do that. You need to configure on both side the conditional forwarder for how to check it once done. It's ns lookup tool, right? So through the ns lookup you can check the connectivity. Or definitely when we migrating something from one domain control to another domain, it's interface, then of course it's a trust relationship is needed. So we need to create the trust relationship also between the both domain controller, both forest. Okay, so what we understand about the activity migration tool, and you understand about this prerequisites, right? Explain you these things also, and trust relationship we need to create. But in the 11 one we will create it later. And last is for understand the lab environment in for practice. When how see I'm explaining now here, you watch the video and you learn. But learning is the one thing, but learning is not that like if you learn today, if you watch the video today, and after 1 month you might be forget. For that you have to practice it. So I have this document is very useful for you guys, you know to make it directory and save this all these videos. You can download the videos also. So it will help you on on your environment. So it's better to clear understand and take a look and deeply. So it will help you to you know your work environment. Okay, so and in the second video we will perform, I will show you this live environment, and this we will perform the start the activity also. So thank you very much for watching this video, but do not forget to subscribe my channel, and please do not forget to like also. Okay, thank you very much. We will see you on the next video. uh, Hello friend, welcome back to this series. I think in the first video we have understand about the active directory migration, and what are the prerequisites needed, that also I have discussed. I mean, not whole, like main prerequisites points that I have already discussed. And in this video we will I will show you the lab environment, my lab environment, and we will configure the other things also on active directory migration. So we will go step by step. So do not forget to subscribe my channel. In this video, in the bottom of this video there is a subscribe button, so you have to be click this subscribe button, and besides that subscribe button there is a bell button also you need to click. So you will get the notification automatically whatever I will upload the new videos, that you will get automatically on your mailbox. Okay, that is totally free of cost, no need to pay any uh, you know paisa, I mean any cost. So please subscribe. Okay, let's start. Here I have in my live environment what I had done. I have a domain control like abc.source domain, and second one is xyz.target domain controller target.com, and there is a one member server of source domain. So what I will do, the source domain subjects will be migrated to target domain. So this is what I will perform here. And both so and three servers operating system is Windows Server 2016, which is the latest version of Microsoft. Okay, so okay, no problem. So we will go with our lab. I have a VMware workstation here. If you look at this is my VMware workstation. Okay, I have made three servers here. I have already installed. This is the Windows Server 2016. All three I have installed, but I didn't configure Active Directory, domain services here. I didn't install it yet, so I will configure now, and we will learn about it also. Okay, so let's maximize it, do the full screen so it looks good. Okay, so in this VMware workstation I have made three servers. Okay, so here the first is ABC, which I told you, right? There is one ABC and XY chart. This is the ABC source domain. So what we will do here, we will now install, we will configure as a domain controller, right? I think most of the people know here. So go to the tools. No, sorry, go to the managers, add roles and features. Otherwise from the dashboard also there is option add roles and feature. From here also we can configure it. Okay, that's not a problem. Here just do the next, go to the next, and again you just do the next, because there are no other servers. So that's what one server is showing there. So here Active Directory migration, Active Directory domain services is there. You just click all the features needed. So click the next, no need to do anything here, just click the next, install. Okay, so the installation process started for what? Active Directory domain services. Okay, whatever things we have done here, that need to be performed here also. So let's log in this server, target domain. I'm logging with local administrator here, because to configure as a uh, to configure as a domain control, you have the account should be local administrator only. Okay, or you have the administrative rights. Okay, this is the member server, that configure will later. Let's see. I think it's still not completed. It is in progress. It will take a few minutes to configure it. After that we will promote the DC. Okay, let's go to the target domain. Yeah, it's the server manager is still loading. Wait for some time. Sorry for the late response, but yes, of course, this much time must be take on your environment also. I have a good configuration my left, so this is the fast only I can expect it, and that is what. Okay, sure. Let's need to wait for, yeah, this is the C. It's started. It's showing this much is completed. I mean 10% is completed. So remaining is there. Definitely it will complete within few seconds or few minutes. Okay, till the time we have to wait here, and let's target server manager. Once it load, we will start the server manager and the target domain also. Yeah, it's installed in the target domain. It's loading. Okay, no problem. We have to wait to configure all these things. Okay, Okay, no problem. We have to wait to configure all these things. Okay. Yeah, it's installation started. Let maximize it. Okay, so go to the target domain. Yeah, it has loaded. So okay, same thing we will do. No problem. We have to wait to configure all these things. Okay, add role and feature. Do the next. Yeah, it's installation started. Let maximize it. And here okay, you need to be so go to the target domain. Yeah, it has loaded, but ensure that before that your IP no configuration should be static. We have to wait to configure all these things. Okay, role and feature, right? I have configured as a static, so install it. So here also it will take a few minutes to configure. Let's go to the source domain. Yeah, it has started. Target domain, yes. So for the few minutes I'm pause my video. So once it's successful done, then I will come back to you again. Okay. The installation has been successful done, but still the domain the server don't behave like a domain controller. For that, the remaining configuration we have to perform. That is what we need to promote the domain controller. See, once the installation done, there is a options here you can select here from, or you can from the command prompt also you can run the dc promo. From there also you can promote your domain controller. Let's click over here. Yeah, so here it's a new forest, so I can select this option, the new forest. So what is the my domain name here which we discussed? It's a source, right? sourcedomain.com, correct? This is what we want to give, right? sourcedomain.com, correct? Click next. Let it be a Windows Server 2016 because my target domain also 16, not an issue. And the DNS, that is your choice, but yes, of course I needed the DNS. I don't have any standalone DNS server, so I want to make this server as a DNS. So I need to DSRM directory service database. For that we need to give the password. Make sure you remember this password. Okay, a delegation of DNS cannot be created, no problem. To the next. Here the NetWise name automatically will show you, but if you want you can change it also. Is it fine for us? Yes, it's fine for me. It's not an issue. Click next. Okay. This is the database where you need to sub. This is the default location. Better to sub in default location. Okay, what are the configuration we have custom done, that is showing here. Okay, click next, and it will check the prerequisites, verify whether it is no, it is something is wrong. Verification prerequisites of domain controller promotion fail. DNS service are required to proceed. Complete DNS client configuration before you proceed. Here one more prerequisite failed. Please fix this and rerun the prerequisites. What verify for the prerequisite domain controller promotion failed DNS services. So what we will do here, we need to check the IP configuration part. Then again we will rerun the prerequisites. Let's open the here. Yeah, go to the NIC properties. In this NIC properties, we will choose IP version 4. Go to the property. Yeah, this is my mistake. I have to provide the DNS. because I make DNS server this one only, this server only. So what I will do, 192.168.207.142, this is my DNS server, correct? Okay, yeah, close it. Now we will again rerun prerequisites check off. So definitely it will success. I think this is the only problem, the reason it got failed. Rerun the prerequisite check. Let's check the prerequisites here, because it was the DNS problem, so I have put the DNS. I hope now it will work. Yes, all prerequisites check passed successfully. Click install, begin the installation. Okay, the same thing that need to be performed here also, and targeted domain also. Yeah, see, in targeted domain also it is successfully installed domain service, but we need to promote the domain control. Yeah, I need to check the DNS, otherwise the same problem will happen here also. So let check whether I configure DNS not here also. So again go to the IP version 4, go to the properties. Yeah, sorry, so it might be, it's my mistake, I didn't listen. Okay, that's fine, fine, close, close. Now same thing, add new forest, we can give the target, right? Domain.com, this is the what our target name. Click the next. Same thing, whatever we perform in the source server, same thing we need to perform here. Okay, now okay, delegation, it will ask for the net bias name. Let's see source domain. Yeah, it is configuring, it will take some time to configure. Yeah, see, target domain, same thing, no need to change. Click next. Click next. Click next. Install. Coach sir, I didn't escalate to HR because he should understand the thing. If I would have escalated to HR now, he might not be there now. So at least he should say sorry. It's a mannerism, it's a morality. In respective of morality, he should say. No sir, in respective of morality, he should say sorry. I'm not pressurized to him, I'm not forced to him to say sorry, but it's a respective of morality, he should say. I don't know, still he didn't. It's like, and you want me. Yeah, it oh. Yeah, server has now restarted. If you look at, okay, and target domain is installing. So thank you very much for watching this video. So once it is restarted, and we will come to the next part. Okay, now it is rebooting. See, it is also target domain also rebooting because it's completed, installation completed. So it will reboot. So once it complete the installation, we will come back to you. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hey, hello friend, welcome back to this series. So this is the third video, I think, of Active Directory migration. So last video we have configured XYZ domain and ABC domain. Let's open. Yeah, it has configured and restarted, right? Let's log in with the source domain. It is very secret, I cannot tell you, and you also don't tell password, and don't say it to anyone. Okay, let's log in the target domain also. Sorry. Okay, so what we will do here, see, the target domain and the source domain, it's a different domain, right? And there is no connectivity, but in the test environment I am given the same range of IP. But let's we create the connectivity, and we need to create the DNS. I mean, we need to add the create the conditional forwarders here, and forwarders here, and then we need to create trust between them. So for that, what I will do here, let's take a okay, let's the server manager load it. Yeah, target domain also it's not loading. It will load it. Okay, let's go to here, network setting, and then the source domain also we will go to here in this bay, ncpa.cpl. This command will open your the network configuration. Okay, so here this is your network. You go to the properties. So I think I have opened my base machines network. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. I need to close this one, and I have to be yeah, I should open from here. .cpl. I will open from this machine and go to the targeted, and here also same thing we need to perform. cpa.cpl. Oh, it is open, no need to open again. So here I need to check the DNS is perfect or not. Yeah, go to the properties. Yeah, see, it has changed to loopback address, so we need to change the DNS here. 92.168.207.143, correct? 143, that's fine. And here also we need to change, go to the properties. Once you configure the domain DNS server, that DNS address automatically change to loopback address. I know no need to explain about the loopback address, because this is not the chapter lessons to explain the loopback address. I think I have uploaded some video already. You understand there. State 207 142. What are the loopback address? Okay, so same DNS configured over here. Let's look. Okay, so before in production environment we need to create the connectivity, but in my lab environment I have given the same range IP. But even though, let's check whether it is ping or not. Okay, ping to 192.168.207.143, right? it's able to ping. From 43 we need to ping, from target we need to ping source also, whether it is able to ping or not. Go to the command prompt, ping to 192.168.207 dot 142, right? Yeah, both side it pinged, but if you look at here, it cannot be resolved. See, I put an ns lookup. Okay, 148 is demand came, but if you put it 192.168.207.143, it won't happen. See, it's unknown request. Okay, so for that we need to configure the DNS. So go to the source domain, and DNS is here. Otherwise you can go to the tool or DNS manager, you will open here. Okay, it's ABC, right? So in the DNS manager you go to the forwarders. Okay, here the forwarders is there. 1 second. Yeah, we need to be type the name here, forwarders 192.168.207 dot 207.143, correct? Just enter it. It will take time to resolving, no worries. Apply. Okay, go to the same target domain here. Same thing you need to be do here also, what you done in source domain. And next I should go to the forwarders. Same, do the edit. Type here 192.168 dot 207.142, right? That is 143, because you need to put the source domain IP here in target domain, and target domain you need to put source domain, and source domain you need to put target domain. Okay, it will take some time. Apply. Okay, okay, let's go here. Okay, still it is not right. Let's I will do something here. Okay, ABC is there, right? But I need to create one A record here. No, I don't want to create a record. Let it be. Yeah, it is attempting to resolve. Yes, now it is resolved. See, it has resolved XYZ, right? It's ABC, but it resolved XYZ, no problem. It is taking time, no problem. Here also we need to check. Still it is not, but definitely it will happen, no problem. But we have to wait. Yeah, we need to wait here. Yeah, now it is resolved, right? Here also. Okay, that's fine. Now what we will do be the conditional forwarder is done, right? So let's open my here create AD integration at conditional forward both sides. Okay, and then create AD conditional forward this side also. Check ns lookup connectivity. Okay, and then we create trust relations between both domain. So this is the one of the important topic in Active Directory, trust relationship. You might not be perform also on your career. Sometimes people don't get chance to do it, but yes, definitely here you will get a chance to know about it, and you can perform on your own left. So for that, what we will do, let's go to the source domain, go to the tools. Very simple things you need to do. You go to the Active Directory domain and trust here. Okay, Once you open the Active Directory domain, so right click over here, go to the properties, okay, go to the trust, go to the new trust, click the next. It asking the what trust name. You can create trust using the NetBIOS name. To whom you want to trust, it's a source domain.com, right? So we need to be put here as a target, target domain.com. Perfect. Click next. Forest trust, click next. 2-bit trust, click next. This domain only, both domain specified on the specified domain. Okay, the option create trust relationship in the local domain. This option create trust relation both local and the specified domain. So this you can, but here you need to give the password while you creating the trust relationship of which domain. So we are trusting with the target domain, so we need to provide the target domain's password. Okay, it's ADMINISTRAT over administrator. Password is very secret. Okay, forest wide authentication needed. Yes, click next, 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 next. Do not confirm, finish. See, it is came right, targetdomain.com. Click OK. So what if you go to the properties now, if you go to the trust, so in the source domain, so now we are able to see this target domain, right? It's both transitive. It's not a non-transitive. Transitive means what? Both sides. It's not a single side. Non-transitive means what? It's one side. It's a transitive. It's a forest trust, correct? So same thing we have to perform here also in the targeted domain. Go to the tools, Active Directory domain and trust, target domain. Same thing, you need to go to the properties here, trust, new trust. No need to do here. See, no need to perform here, because once you perform here, now it automatically reflect here. No need to perform both side. You should be performing one side only. It automatically will perform here. So that's a great thing. So now we can enable this domains user from this domain also, because we have created the trust relationship between the two domain control, right? So this is the good things to understand about the trust also. There are the different kind of trust also there, but one of the trust we have performed here, it is very important while migrating. So these steps need to be followed properly. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. We will see you on the next video, and we will perform the step by step. So do not forget to subscribe my channel as well as like this video, and whatever your doubts, your questions, you can put in comment, so I can definitely reply. It might be a late, but definitely reply. It may be a late response, but definitely I will reply to you. Any kind of things you can do it, but do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. I'm sorry. Hey, hi friend, my name is Chandramani, and today we will discuss about Active Directory migration part 4. I think we have did 3 videos and we have completed it, and let's before start this part 4, let's flashback, like we need to discuss about what we did here. So if you look at my screen, so these are things we have performed, like we have created source domain controller as well as the target domain controller. We have configured entire things, as well as the we have created trust forest trust relationship between to the domain. That has been completed. Now our part is to this member server need to be joined and source domain, that we need to perform. I have make out some point here that we will need to perform on today. I mean, in this video, these are the some points. Let's start from join the members over to the source domain and create some group like global group, universal group on the source domain. So it will help us to migrate, right? Different groups, the kind of groups we can, migrate from source to target. So that's the reason we will create some, a test group and global group and universal group, and create the service account for the SQL. That means, see, in member server we will install the SQL server, right? And this server will be as service account, and for to installing the SQL we require the account, right? One domain account, because usually what happen, if you install in the workgroup server, definitely you need to use in some application might be used in the system account, right? But now it will use the domain user account. So that's the reason we will create one user here in source domain, and that will perform as a service account. Okay, and that will use an SQL while installing the SQL. Okay, and then we will create some 4,000 or 5,000 or 2,000 users, but let for this for my lab I will create 4,000 users in source domain, for to migrating from source to domain. That's we required 4,000 users, so I created. But anyways, you can create like 2,000 3,000 as per your requirement, no problem. And we need to install the SQL Express 2012 in member server. And then so let's start step by step. But guys, before start these things, I just remember you, like, do not forget to subscribe my channel now. Just subscribe my channel, and there is beside the subscribe button there is no, a bell button is there. Just click over there, so you will get automatically notification when I will be uploading a new videos. So do not forget, it is not, you are not going to pay any single rupee also here to subscribe. So that's what, please subscribe, and please give the like, comments, everything. And one more thing, like, during this video, what I explained here, what I did also, if you have any comments, any doubts, any questions, you can put in comment box. So definitely I will reply. It might be late, but definitely I will reply. So thanks for watching this video, and we will start now from where we left. Okay, let's go to the my lab. Yeah, if you remember, these are the three things, right? Source domain, target domain, as well as the source, the member of source domain. Let's go. I have given the name, it's member one. Let's join to the domain as a source. For that you have to be type. Okay, oh, I'm sorry. Domain.com. Oh, I did wrong here. I typed wrong. Okay, that's fine. Now just click over here. It asking the username password of the source domain, which we have right. So okay, I can give my username password local administrator. Okay, yeah, it's now join. It give message welcome to the source domain.com domain. That's fine for me. Okay, and close. Restart now. Okay, it is restarting. Yeah, that's good. And now we will go to let it restart. So before that, what I will do here, we will create some user to migrate. This is the source domain controller, and here we can create some like OU, might be a new organizational unit. I can create like test OU. Okay, this is organization unit, and here I will create some users like for SQL I need to create service account. Here new users, I will give name like SQL underscore SVC. It's fine. Same thing like, oh, I'm sorry, SQL underscore SVC. That's fine. Service account password should not be changed because we will use it in SQL. That's the reason it should not be changed, and user should not be changed the password also. And keep the password here. Okay, so this will, remember guys, the service account will use for SQL, and it is very important you understand. See, user migration is a different thing, a service account migration is a different thing. That is very important point here. You need to clear understand about the service account migration also. Okay, so my service account has been created, and what I will do here, I will create one more SQL admin account here, new users, and I can write here like SQL admin. Okay, SQL admin, that's fine. Okay, let me do one thing. Okay, SQL admin. Okay, that's fine. Just copy it, paste here, do the next, and get the password. Okay, that's fine. This account can be, you can check mark here like user must change password next login. That's not a problem because it's a like SQL admin account, not a service account. But as it's a test environment, I don't want to be do these things. Even you also no need to do this kind of things. You just mark in password never expire, as well as the user cannot change password. Okay, that's fine. So I can create one more like SQL admin account also. So I get problem in this account. I know there should be a backup account needed, so I will copy this account again, and I will give the different name here like B underscore, it means backup underscore SQL admin. Is it fine? Yeah. And here I will paste it here and do the next. Correct, and I will give username, password, okay, and same thing, finish. So remember one thing, service account, it can be possible, it will be okay if it is domain user, not an issue for me. But for the SQL admin, you have to be the member of domain admin also, but it is the member of by default domain user. You can make it domain admin. Okay, that's fine. Let's check mark and okay and okay, and do same for the backup admin also, backup SQL admin, and you can put it like domain admin. Okay, that's fine. Okay, okay, so now for the SQL installation, my service account is ready, my SQL admin account is ready, like for the backup and like primary SQL admin. Oh, I did wrong here, I think. If you like I put it like here a admin, right? It's wrongly I have typed here. Okay, I can, oh sorry for this mistake. Okay, I just copy it and take it here also and apply, and for the account profile I will same thing do it here. That's fine. Okay, just refresh it. It is not changing. Okay, yeah, that's fine, now it's changed. Okay, it's okay, and now we will go to the members over here and check it is restarted. Yes, it has been restarted. And what I will do here, we can log in with the domain, not domain account, we will log in here with the local administrator account. Okay, even though we have joined and source domain, but we will install the SQL application here. That's the reason I log in with the local account, and while installing the SQL application, there we will put our whatever the user account create for the SQL admin, that will put it while installing the SQL. Okay, that will be fine. Okay, let's it install. I think the VMware tool it's not installed in here. That's the reason the screen resolution is not yeah, it started. Let's see whether it is installed or not. Yeah, uh, go to this PC, and here you can install. Yeah, it is started the installation. The screen is, the resolution is not proper because the VMware tool is not installed yet. So remember guys, so every machine should have the VMware tool. So to get all this, resembleness, I mean compatibility with your base machine, like it required the VM tool to compatibility all these sources you going to use from the base machine, right? So VM tool is required. Let it, once it install, it will restart. That's fine, let it restart. Okay, let's go source domain. Yeah, we have created these things also, and let's go to the target domain also. Sure. Oh, I'm sorry, let's go to the source domain, and we need to create the 4,000 users. That's fine. Okay, so what I will do here, let's I have a note here. Okay, if it is a source, and then I can source. That's fine. I put a new York user. Okay, it's fine. S user, it's a source user, you can understand, right? Or it's fine. S user, uh, it's 4,000. That's fine. Enabled. Add user. For each subject's new. Yeah, that's fine. Everything is perfect, and I given the password here. Just copy. Look at this command I will use to create the 4,000 users in PowerShell. So go to here, source domain. Okay, just open the PowerShell command here. Okay, I'm not what I will do here, let's do this thing. Go to the menu settings here. It should be copy. I don't know why it is not happen. Anyway, I can enable the folder. I can do the mapping here. My which folder I need to map. It's like always Active Directory migrations tool. That's fine, and go to the next. Okay, next. Okay, so what I will do here, I will open my sharing folder here. Yeah, it is mapped. Now I will go to here, and I have documents here. So what I will do here, I can copy this entire things. Okay, it is fine. I've copied it here, and I will make a notepad to copy and check whether it is perfect or not. I will create here 4,000 users, and I will it's a S user. So now what I will do here, I'll copy and West. Let's enter it. Yeah, so just go to the user and computers. Let's refresh it. Yeah, it started the creating. So definitely it will take time to create 4,000 users, but my window will contain a 2,000 users. I mean, at a time you can see the 2,000 users, not more than that. For the, if you want to see all the 4,000 users once created, you need to use the filter. Okay, that's fine. Let refresh again. Yeah, it started and it is creating. It will take time to create. Till the time we know, we don't do no need to wait here to see whether it is created. Definitely it will create. And let's go to the members domain. Yeah, it has restart, I think, installed. Do the next install. And yeah, so what I will then the next video, we will install the SQL application on the member server, and we will use the service account, member server, and other part of the this series also we will do the next video. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, and like, comments, anything you want to give. Thanks for watching this video, but I need more subscribe, more like, please do not forget. So thanks for watching the video. We will see you on the next video. And let's refresh again. I think, yeah, it has created. See, it is creating again, but still it is not completed. It will take some time because 4,000 user, right? So it will definitely will take time. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Hey, hello friend, my name is Chandramani and welcome back to this series. And this is the fifth part of this series, that is Active Directory migrations. We are implementing Active Directory migration in Windows Server 2016, which is the latest version of Microsoft. Okay, so we have performed something like in last video. What we did in last video, that we have joined the member server in source domain, created some groups, right? Or not created, I think we didn't create. Okay, we have created service account, we have created to SQL admin account and make the member of the domain admin, and created 4,000 user also, and install the SQL Express and 2012 members. So that we will need to create, as well as the some groups we will create on the source domain to migrate. Okay, and these things also we will perform here, because from here the first catalog we have done all these things. Also we have understood the environment for the practice, and now we are performing the activity. Okay, these are the many things we will do here. So let's look. But guys, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Again, I'm reminding you, please subscribe my channel. Please, in the besides of subscribe button, there is a bell button. Please click over there. You will get the automatic notification on your mailbox. Whenever I upload my new videos, you will get automatically on your mailbox. Please, you should you please subscribe my channel and give us comments, shares, everything. If you want to share my video to your friends, you can share it. Okay, let's go to my left. Okay, so let's refresh it. Yeah, it is loading. I think it has been created. No, it's still creating. No problem, go to this member server. We will install the SQL here. Log in with the local admin, I told you, right? Even though it is member of source domain, that's fine. Let's log in, and let create yeah, yeah, see, I told you, right, this 2,000 user can be seen and automatically, like here. But 258 items in user folder were retrieved from the view menu. Okay, you can display it, but not an issue. This is the message, like at a time you can see the 2,000 user, I told you, right? And here what I will do, like go to the here, and I have created these things, but I didn't create the group, right? Let me create some group here also. New, group. So I'm going to create global group. So what I will do here, GL is fine, GL underscore group. That means it's a global group. Okay, and now I will create here one universal group. Same thing, go to the group and choose the universal, and for that UN, that's fine, and underscore, sorry, I did it wrong, universal underscore group, that's fine. So we have to group also created. Okay, now we go to the member server, right? We need to install SQL. If you look at the local server, it is oh, it's still loading. Yeah, it's member of source domain, right? So what I will do here, I will go to setting here, and go to the options, and I will share this folder at next, browse Active Directory migration, that's fine. Okay, map the folder. Guys, SQL, for the SQL you can like download SQL from Microsoft site. If you here you can type here like SQL Express 2012. Okay, here we can download. Okay, SQL 2012 you need to be download. See, I have a setup here. Let's I have mapped, right? Let's open this thing, open the folder option here. I don't know why it is taking time. Yeah, go to the PC, and here I will go to the share folder, activate migration. I have here. Okay, this is the SQL setup. What I will do is copy it, and I go to here and go to the C drive here. I will create one folder. It's called data. Okay, that's fine. I will copy this SQL setup here and run it. Okay, run the SQL setup. It will extracting all the file. It will make a folder in C drive. If you look at here, it's showing to the directory. It is creating the folder with this name, and once it extracted, it will start the installation. Okay, meanwhile what I will these things we have done, right? Now go to the target domain here. Okay, okay, let's log in. Open the user and computers. Yeah, still it is extracting. It's fine. In the target domain, we will create some OU here. It will help us while migrating. So I will create some OU, new organizational unit. What I will do, migrate users from source. It's fine. Okay, now again I will create here migrate computers from source. Migrate service account from source. That's fine. Okay, so user accounts we will migrate. We can migrate computer account and service account. That's fine. Okay, let's go to the source member of, yeah. So if you look at its installation has been started. So here you just click standalone installation, and it will take some time, but anyway we'll start the installation. And remember, I have created service account for this what is the name, sql underscore svc, right? Okay, while installation it is required, yeah, it is started the installation. I think if people might have worked in sql, yeah, just accept the license term here and do the next. Okay, remove this checkbox, otherwise it will take to the online. Unnecessary, it will show the error, because I don't want to need any updates now. It's my test left, so let's do the next. Okay, but in real environment you can choose that checkbox to getting updates from the internet, but you, if you don't have internet on where you set up, you couldn't get the the updates. Better to uncheck it. Yeah, it is making the it has started the installation, but making it ready for you, it will take some time. It will show some options to you which stuffs need to be installed here. So till the time we have to wait. Okay, for that let's go with the document also, what we did here. Create some group, like we have created universal group and global group also, and install the sql express and member server. Now it is going. Okay, this part's not done. Okay, so go to the lab here. Let's see whether it is still it is in progress. Let's do one thing and source domain. So we have two group, right? It's global group and universal group, right? Let's do one thing. We have created some user. What I will do here, from here, like some user, make, go to the properties and add account. Sorry, I think I did some wrong. Properties. No, I did wrong here. Oh, sorry, you go to here. Yeah, global group. Go to the members, add, and go to the advanced here and put some users. What I will do here, I will take some few users to the member of, so it will help us to at the time of migration to understand if when we migrate to users and user is member of the some group, whether it is migrated or not, the group also. So that we will check it here. Okay, that's fine. Apply and okay, and we will some universal group also. Go to the properties and members. We can add some users for universal group also. That's fine now. And okay, let's take some users here. Okay, let's take this. Okay, and do the okay and okay, apply. Okay, now if we check it, global group, yes, there's some users, the member of the global group, as well as some users member of the universal group. That's fine. Let's go to the source domain. Yeah, see, these options is needed, so it's fine. Do the next, and yeah, it will taking a long time, I mean, it will take, definitely will take time to install the sql, because it's a database. Yeah, it's it. Yeah, now you can change the sql instance name also, others let it be, no problem for urge. Okay, it's fine. And the instance root directory is here. Okay, that's fine also. And do the next here. It will check all the disk requirement, disk space requirement, whether it is available or not. It will check, and it will come to the next option. Yeah, it's fine. That's what it's showing green. And it's coming to the next phase. Yeah, here we can use the service account. So click over here, go to the browse. What is the service account name? It's SQL SVC. Go to here and search like SQL underscore SVC. This is a service account. Yeah. Get the username and password. That's fine. Yeah, it is required, and put the password here also. If you're not given the password, it won't take. It will give the error. Okay. Yeah, so you can add another account, like we have created a SQL administrator account, right? Let's go to the source admin. What are the two accounts we have created? SQL admin and SQL admin, right? Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, here what I will do, B underscore SQL admin and SQL admin. Okay, and these two groups is member of domain admin. You remember, even though if you are adding this as a SQL administrator, that should be a member of domain admin. Okay, I don't need. Click the next. It will start. It will check all the prerequisites, I think. Then it will start the installation. Yeah, it has started. Okay, definitely it will take time. Okay, so let's go here. Source domain. Yeah, see, it has been like completed. Now we get the next prompt here, so that's why it's completed. Okay, 4000 user has been created, and we put at the member. Everything is done here. Okay, what I will do here, before migrate the production users, what I will do, why not we will do some test user, and first we will migrate test user, then migrate production users. It is better, right? So I can use one test. Okay, test one, create one as test one for the testing. First we'll migrate this user. Once it's success, then we will go ahead for the production, and right. So give the password here, and this option just remove it. Okay, but most important thing, what, so while you migrating the user, whatever the password is having the user, that should also migrate it. For that we have a tool also that need to be installed here, and you need to export the key also, that is called a PSC key, that I will explain in a later video while installing this feature, and while installing the ADMT tool on the target. Okay, let's yeah, you see it has started the installation. Definitely it will take time to complete the installation, but what I will do here, I couldn't wait here to till to install entire things. I just pause my video. I will come back to you when the installation is success. The screen will come, the installation has been done. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and guys, do not forget to subscribe my channel, because of if you can't support me, I cannot grow up my channel. So requesting you to please subscribe my channel, as well as give like, and you can put in comment. If you have any questions till that time, you can write and comment, so definitely I will give you answer. If you want any training also, if you want any other parts and training also, you can put in comments. So if possible, then definitely I will arrange that training also for you. So thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. I will come back to you once installation is done. Okay, so till the time, bye bye. Hey, hi friend. My name is Chandramani, and today we will discuss about active